Welcome to Middlesex County College. I am Mark McCormick, President of MCC, and I am delighted that you are considering Middlesex in the pursuit of your educational goals. I want to share with you why I believe you should consider attending Middlesex County College. As the first person in my family to earn a college degree, I know how important education is to preparation for a rewarding career. After earning a bachelor's degree, I attended law school, and later, as an adult, I earned a doctoral degree. I worked my way through law school and was working full-time and raising a family while I attended graduate school. Earning each degree took hard work and determination, and I could not have done it without supportive instructors and generous financial aid. Having those degrees has allowed me to pursue rewarding careers in the fields of law and higher education. Middlesex County College offers quality education at an affordable cost. Our courses are offered in person at a variety of times, as well as online. Our class sizes are small with dedicated and caring faculty. We offer an extensive array of student support services, from advising to counseling to tutoring, and our courses transfer widely throughout New Jersey and beyond. Now more than ever, beginning your college education at Middlesex County College is a smart choice. We are close to home, and you can opt to take your courses at our Edison campus, our centers in New Brunswick or Perth Amboy, or online. Many students qualify for financial aid, which often covers the full cost of tuition and fees. We also offer generous scholarships. Be smart. Take a virtual tour of our beautiful campus. Reach out to our admissions staff with questions. Find out how Middlesex County College can be the first step in your journey to a better future.